Hi guys, I'm Rasmus. I'm here in Slikhaar studio with René and Mikkel. And today we're doing the Zac Efron look. Are you guys up for it? Yeah. Alright, let's go.
The inspiration is something like this with Zac. We go a little bit more short in the side, more fade, but keep the same length. And I'm gonna use the shampoo. It has a peppermint cooling effect on the scalp, so you will feel it very much, especially if you need it. Don't be scared. It's normal. You feel it?
Yeah.
The conditioner, so a little bit more cooling effect. Started with the 6mm, now I'm going down to 4mm. And then I go down to 2, and then I will fade it all together. Yeah? In the neck, I decided to do you a skin fade, so you have this clean fade all the way down. And I will take the top. So what are you up for this weekend, Mikkel?
Yeah, actually me and my friends, we're going to have a little get together to have some beers, some nice food, maybe some barbecue or yeah.
The weather is staying like this?
Yeah, if the weather is going with us.
Yeah, beer is good. We drink that a lot here in Denmark. Start with Sidekick Pre-Styler. It has heat protector, volume, and has a hold for 24 hours. I use 8 to 12 pumps. Today I'm going to use the Silver Fox, an amount like this. Just warm it into your hands and gently put it on the hair. So not too much around the hair, because then it will be too heavy and fall down. Zac Efron.
Yeah, I like how natural it looks. You cannot even see the wax is in.
And this was the Zac Efron look, so how do you like it?
Very much.
You did a great job, René. And guys, remember to write in the comment section down below what you think about the episode. Also like the video and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you guys next time. We got the inspiration from Zac Efron. I got the look in my way, and remember to follow us on Facebook. You can find the links in the description. See you guys.